Johnny's daddy.
Alright, we're going
was
fishing,
taking
Timmy.
fishing
I love fishing.
when he was 8 years old.
Yep. A little girl named Jenny come through the front gate holding a fishing pole. Yep.
His dad looked down and
He smiled ear to ear.
Said, we can't
leave nobody behind. I didn't leave Bubba behind. I carried him through a forest. Son, I know you don't want her to go, but someday you'll change your mind.
Johnny said,
Take Lieutenant Dan. Take Bubba Gump. Take my best friend Jenny.
take anybody that you want.
As long as she don't go.
As long as she don't go.
Don't let her go.